Did you know that cardiovascular diseases, CVDs, claim more lives globally than any other cause? And how can dietary insights not only prevent but also reverse the course of heart disease, offering a lifeline to those at risk? In 2019 alone, an astonishing 17.9 million people died to CVDs, constituting a staggering 32% of all global deaths. Shockingly, a significant 85% of these deaths were due to heart attacks and stroke. Furthermore, out of the 17 million premature deaths, those under the age of 70 attributed to non-communicable diseases in 2019, a substantial 38% were directly linked to CVDs. The silver lining, however, lies in the fact that most cardiovascular diseases are preventable by addressing behavioral risk factors such as unhealthy diet, obesity, physical inactivity, excessive alcohol consumption, and tobacco use. In this video, we'll explore 5 specific healthy dietary plans that can truly be life-saving and how to achieve them. To assure superior nutrition that maximizes health and longevity, the goal is to achieve an adequate nutrient density in your diet and also to make sure that all the raw materials your body needs to maintain excellent health are supplied in the most favorable amounts. Eating a balanced diet is not a fad. Eating healthfully is the most effective preventative and therapeutic intervention available to us. It is the best prescription any medical doctor can make. Before that, here are 3 key dietary principles supported by scientific evidence. 1. Plant-based foods like vegetables, beans, seeds, nuts, and fruits promote health. 2. Consuming excessive amounts of animal products raises the risk of chronic diseases. 3. Refined carbohydrates contribute to chronic diseases and weight gain. Green vegetables, in particular, play a significant role in preventing and reversing heart disease. Despite knowing their benefits, we often underestimate the impact of these food choices on our health. Adopting a nutritious diet is not just a passing trend, it's the most effective way to prevent and treat various health conditions. By taking nutrition seriously and following 5 healthy dietary plans can significantly improve our lives. Number 1. Vegetables, especially cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables, like kale, cabbage, and bok choy, are incredibly beneficial for health, particularly for preventing cardiovascular disease and promoting longevity. They are nutrient-dense and low in calories, making them excellent for weight management. A higher intake of these greens is associated with a reduced risk of heart disease and overall mortality. Research shows that cruciferous vegetables are especially effective in lowering the risk of cardiovascular mortality. Eating more of these vegetables is linked to fewer heart attacks and strokes, with no plateau in benefits observed. These veggies contain glucosinolates, which form protective antioxidant enzymes in the body, helping to combat oxidative stress and inflammation associated with chronic diseases. So, load up your plate with cruciferous vegetables to boost your health and longevity. The more you eat green, the leaner and healthier you'll be. Number 2. The Allium family, onions and garlic. The Allium family, including onions and garlic, offers remarkable health benefits. Epidemiological studies link increased consumption of these vegetables to reduced risks of various cancers, such as oral, colorectal, and breast cancer, with up to an 88% risk reduction for those consuming the most onions or garlic. These vegetables are packed with cancer-fighting organosulfur compounds, which are activated when the vegetables are chopped, crushed, or chewed. These compounds detoxify carcinogens and inhibit cancer cell growth. Additionally, they exhibit cardioprotective effects by inhibiting cholesterol synthesis, preventing platelet aggregation, and boosting antioxidant levels in vascular tissues. Onions, particularly red and yellow varieties, are rich in polyphenol and anthocyanins, further enhancing their health benefits. Incorporating onions and garlic into daily meals, either raw or finely chopped before cooking, maximizes their protective compounds. Cold onions, preserving the root end, and consuming raw onions daily are simple strategies to harness their health-promoting properties effectively. Number 3. Berries, cherries, and pomegranates. Berries, cherries, and pomegranates offer a myriad of health benefits due to their rich nutrient and antioxidant content. Packed with flavonoids, these fruits play a crucial role in modifying cell signaling pathways, reducing inflammation, and inhibiting processes related to heart disease and cancer. Studies have shown that high flavonoid intake can significantly lower the risk of heart disease, improve cognitive function, and protect brain cells against oxidative stress. Furthermore, these fruits contain melatonin, a hormone and antioxidant that regulates the sleep-wake cycle, potentially enhancing sleep quality. Incorporating berries, cherries, and pomegranates into your diet regularly can provide protection against free radicals, inflammation, and various diseases. Whether fresh or frozen, these fruits are essential components of a nutritious diet, contributing to overall health and well-being. Number 4. Tomatoes, tomato paste, and tomato sauce. Carotenoids, found abundantly in green and yellow-orange vegetables and fruits, play a crucial role in defending the body against oxidative damage. Skin carotenoid levels serve as indicators of overall health, reflecting the absorption of plant-derived phytochemicals. Studies have linked low blood carotenoid levels to increased mortality risk, with lycopene, notably derived from tomatoes, showing potent protective effects against various diseases. Lycopene's antioxidant properties are double that of beta-carotene and 10 times that of vitamin E, contributing to improved cardiovascular health by preventing LDL oxidation and enhancing endothelial function. Additionally, lycopene inhibits cholesterol synthesis, reduces LDL cholesterol levels, and exhibits anti-inflammatory actions, further safeguarding against cardiovascular disease. Although lycopene is the primary nutrient in tomatoes, its health benefits are enhanced when consumed alongside other carotenoids found in colorful fruits and vegetables. Incorporating tomatoes into your diet, whether raw or cooked, offers significant health benefits, making them an essential component of a nutritious diet rich in antioxidants. Number 5. The facts about fish, fish oil, and omega-3 fatty acids. Recent research has brought some clarity regarding fish, fish oil, and omega-3 fatty acids. While earlier studies suggested cardiac benefits, more extensive and longer-term studies now reveal a more nuanced picture. Large-scale reviews found no overall protective benefit against mortality, heart disease, or stroke from omega-3 supplementation. Furthermore, excessive fish oil intake may pose risks and associated with increased mortality and sudden cardiac death. Indeed, while a deficiency in long-chain omega-3 fats like DHA and EPA may be harmful, excessive intake can also be problematic. Studies indicate that both too little and too much of these fats can increase health risks. For instance, optimal blood levels of EPA and DHA are linked to lower mortality and reduced cardiovascular events. However, ingesting too much fish oil may moderately increase the risk of conditions like atrial fibrillation and prostate cancer. When it comes to brain health, maintaining adequate levels of DHA and EPA is crucial. Reduced omega-3 levels are associated with an increased risk of age-related cognitive decline and depression. For vegans and those with limited fish intake, algae-based supplements can help prevent deficiencies without the risk of contaminants found in fish oil. In addition to omega-3s, other nutrients like zinc and vitamin D are vital for mental health. Low levels of these nutrients are linked to increased depression risk, especially in women. Supplementing with these nutrients, along with omega-3 fatty acids, can be beneficial for overall well-being, particularly in individuals following plant-based diets. In summary, while omega-3 fatty acids play a crucial role in health, it's essential to strike a balance. Opt for moderate supplementation if fish intake is low, and pay attention to other nutrients that contribute to mental health and overall well-being. Incorporating essential supplements like vitamin B12 and iodine is vital for vegans. Plant proteins are sufficient for most, but individual needs may vary, especially concerning amino acids like taurine and carnitine. Understanding these needs and tailoring diets accordingly ensures favorable outcomes. The importance of how and when you eat. Eating habits play a pivotal role in both health maintenance and weight management. The consumption of nutrient-rich, colorful plant foods aids not only in recovering from heart disease but also in reducing body fat. However, it's crucial to prevent rapid weight regain, which can lead to the deposition of visceral fat and vulnerable plaque. Achieving weight loss and reversing heart disease requires not just fat loss but also superior nutrition, emphasizing a diet rich in micronutrients. Overeating often increased from various social, emotional, and addictive factors, with hunger driving excessive calorie intake, even in obese individuals. Fortunately, adopting a diet high in micronutrients can mitigate feelings of hunger and discomfort associated with weight loss efforts. Research suggests that nutrient-rich diets decrease food cravings and overeating behaviors, alleviating symptoms of toxic hunger. Conversely, diets low in antioxidants and phytochemicals lead to heightened oxidative stress and an accumulation of harmful metabolites, contributing to disease development. The anabolic and catabolic phases of digestion further influence hunger sensations and energy utilization. Overweight individuals may experience more intense withdrawal symptoms, driving frequent eating and calorie overconsumption. Breaking the cycle of food addiction and excess weight requires a commitment to a healthful eating pattern, albeit with initial challenges, as the body adjusts to healthier habits. Ultimately, adopting a nutrient-rich diet is essential for long-term weight control and overall well-being, offering a sustainable approach to healthful eating and weight management.